Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. As you all know that on this channel, I make videos about things that's gonna make your freelancing career easy and also give you tips about money-making methods. In this video today, I'm gonna give you access to a new remote desktop protocol that I created, and I will show you how to log in and also give you the link to the website you will download the login protocol. So stay with me till the end of this video, and I'll walk you through the whole process. Go to Google and type in sites.google.com/view/richfreelancer and click enter. If you don't get the right link, check the video description and you'll find it there. This is my website, and that's where you are going to get the remote desktop protocol. A quick walkthrough of my website. This is where you get the amazing videos I uploaded. Now to the remote desktop. Click on the tool menu up here. These are the list of the current freelancing tools on my website. The first one is the popular ChatGPT, and the second one is the USA Remote Desktop Protocol I created. So click on Get It Here to access the remote desktop protocol. Now this is the username, password, and the remote desktop protocol. You can now copy it. If you want a personal remote desktop for yourself, click on Contact Me, and you will get the link to the website where I sell remote desktop protocol. You can see all my reviews that my customers are really satisfied with my job. Now after you copy the remote desktop login, go to your system settings here and search for remote desktop. Now log in with the password you copied earlier. I've already logged in before, so I don't need to go through that process. Now you see that it's working perfectly. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like because it really helps me to continue providing you videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.